welcome to the final installment in our Tech Behind the Game series. We've learned about sports tech, seen some impressive broadcast gear, and discovered how to utilize some pretty sophisticated smart tech right at home and on the go. This time around, Kara's gonna show you how you can train like a pro athlete, with the help of some pretty cool tech, of course. Get us in shape, Kara.
Clay, I wish I could just wave my magic wand, but we all know that getting in shape is tougher than that. It takes hard work, discipline, and of course, a little sweat. A fitness tracker is a great way to begin your workout program. The Garmin Venue Square is a good, affordable option that will help you understand your baseline, your heart rate, average number of daily steps, sleep patterns, and more. Venue Square can also determine your stress levels by measuring heart rate variability. It combines all of this data into what they call your body battery meter, which gives you an overall snapshot of your daily health, so you know how hard to push your workouts. This $200 smartwatch also comes preloaded with activities like yoga and strength training, and features a digital running coach. The mirror is a great way to work out safely and conveniently in the comfort of your own home. It looks and works like a regular full-body mirror, but once you turn it on, the screen comes alive and you have access to hundreds of classes, some with live instructors. And the range of classes is impressive. More than 50 different types are offered, from boxing to bar to boot camp and everything in between. Workout from 5 to 60 minutes, and if you pair it with a mirror-branded heart rate monitor, your stats will appear on screen in real time. The mirror starts at $1,500 with a monthly membership fee of $40. That gives access to all the classes for up to 6 members of your household. There's a huge mental component to playing any sport, including football. A number of NFL players and coaches like Derek Morgans and Seattle Seahawks coach Pete Carroll have touted the benefits of meditation. Headspace is a popular app full of guided meditations to help you become more present, rested, and aware. Just a few minutes a day can help you achieve all sorts of goals, like better sleep, less stress, and weight loss. Mindfulness has become such a hot topic that there's even a series on Netflix about Headspace and the benefits of meditation. Headspace costs $70 a year or $13 a month. Former NFL player John McGraw aims to teach mindfulness to coaches and players through his company's 10-week program. Vision Pursue aims to help athletes and professionals build mental toughness and improve performance. The training can be done in person or remotely and comes with an app for people to practice on their own. The final component to training like a professional athlete is eating like a professional athlete. And luckily, one of the best of the game has made that easy for us by creating his own meal delivery service. Quarterback Tom Brady created TB12 inspired by his own nutrition regimen. The meals are high in protein, nutrient-rich, and have no processed ingredients. And better yet, they're shipped pre-made and frozen, so a healthy lunch or dinner is just minutes away. Meals start at $12 a piece. We now have a fitness game plan with tools and tips to train, relax, and eat like a professional athlete. I personally can't wait to get started. Clay, back to you.
I hope you've enjoyed this series as much as I have. It's just amazing to see how much goes into the game from all angles, and the tech gets more mind-blowing every year. Maybe you'll see me again, as a hologram, the next time we get together to talk tech. Till then, I'm Clay Matthews, and thanks for watching.